In today's world, cybersecurity threats are a constant reality. Companies and individuals are at risk of being targeted by hackers who want to steal their sensitive data or cause harm to their systems. That's why it's important to be prepared. And that's where our ethical hacking course comes in.
Our course is designed to teach you the skills you need to become an ethical hacker. You'll learn how to identify vulnerabilities in computer systems and how to exploit them to protect against malicious attacks. Our course is taught by experienced professionals who have years of experience in the field. You'll receive hands-on training in a supportive environment, and you'll have access to the latest tools and techniques. And when you complete the course, you'll receive a certificate that will demonstrate your expertise to employers and clients. So why wait? Sign up for our ethical hacking course today and start your journey to becoming a cybersecurity expert.
Protect yourself and others from cyber threats. Enroll now